Hey guys, good morning. Well, out on the property again, having a nice walk. Wanted to just show you how beautiful and peaceful it is back here on the property. We have some trees that are tagged, and some trees will have to stay, but we have a lot of nice space that is open, and we're going to maximize that space, cut a few trees. It is heavily wooded, but we're going to build 2 and 3 story garden style luxury class A apartment homes, and our tenant type is good 6-figure professional income earner. Plano, it would be good 6-figure income. South Lake, we're 30 miles from South Lake, so 200,000 income earner. Revitalized downtown Dallas, I think, is 106,000. Just the regular professional people who leave their families in the suburbs and will drive and make it happen for their families. So how beautiful and peaceful it is, and we've got a lot of open space to be able to work with, and we're excited to have you come along with us, invest with us today, and make your money make money. That's what money is for. So make your money make money. What a gorgeous area. We've got a little bit of a slope here, and what are we going to do with this slope? We're going to force appreciation by pushing dirt from the mountain into the valley. Move that mountain, yes. And we are doing the same thing by forcing appreciation on this property, just like somebody would be forcing appreciation, forcing vacancy, doing rehab, and taking the first couple years to force value out of a Class C property. But the issue is that you're still going to have those Class C tenants that won't drive 5 miles to get to a job. And our tenant type is, of course, the professional, the movers and the shakers, the CEOs, CFOs, CPAs, all of the professional people. You can't find an apartment to rent in Dallas. The economy is so strong, and you can't find a home in Dallas. The economy is so strong. There are 1,000 people moving into Dallas every month, and that's been the same for the last 12 years that I've been here. Everybody wants to be in Dallas, and so if you can't be here, hey, invest with us. Your heart can be in Dallas, your mind can be in Dallas, and we're happy to help you look at that. honorswaygroup.com, and be a part of this great adventure, and we'll move mountains into the valley, won't we?